Viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Today in this video, I share with you some beautiful crochet pillow cover designs model. Here are some tips to help you create a beautiful and well-crafted crochet pillow cover. Planning and preparation. Select the right yarn. Choose yarn that is matches and desired texture and durability for your pillow cover. Cotton yarn is great for durability and washability, while acrylic yarns offer a wide range of colors and are easy to care for. Match your hook to your yarn. Use the crochet hook size recommended on your yarn label. If your stitches are too tight or too loose, adjust the hook size accordingly. Gauge swatch. Always create a gauge swatch to ensure your stitches match the pattern's sophistications. This step is crucial for achieving the correct pillow size. Choose a pattern you love. Pick a design that you find aesthetically pleasing and begin with the stitches. If you are a beginner, start with a simpler pattern like stripes or basic canvas bars. Crocheting. Consistent tension. Maintain consistent tension throughout your work to ensure an even fabric. Practice maintaining even tension if you are new to crochet. Weave in ends as you go, instead of waiting until the end to weave in all the loose ends. Do it as you finish each bit or section. This makes the final assembly much easier and neater. Block your pieces. Blocking your crochet pieces before assembling them can help even out stitches and improve the overall look of your project. Use a blocking board or mat and pin your pieces to the correct size and shape. Then lightly spray with water and let dry. Assembly. Join panels neatly. When joining the front and back panels, ensure your stitches are even and secure. Use a method that complements your design, such as slip stitch or single crochet. Secure seam. Make sure your seams are secure, especially if the pillow will be used frequently. A sturdy seam will ensure longevity and durability. Consider an envelope closer. Instead of sewing all 4 sides shut, you might want to use buttons or tags to create an envelope closer. This makes it easy to remove and wash the cover. Finishing touches. Add decorative elements. Enhance your pillow cover with decorative elements like buttons, tassels, or pom-poms if it fits the design. Double check fit before completely closing your cover. Ensure that it fits your pillow from snugly, but not too tight. Adjust as needed for a perfect fit. Keep it clean. If you are using light colored yarn or your pillow will be in a high traffic area, choose a yarn that is machine washable for easy care. Troubleshooting. Fix mistakes promptly. If you notice a mistake, fix it right away rather than waiting until later. This can prevent more significant problems down the line and keep your work looking neat. Use stitch markers. If your pattern involves complex stitches or counting, use stitch markers to keep track for your place. This can help prevent mistakes and save time. Practice and patience. Take breaks. Give your hands and eyes a rest periodically to avoid strain. This will also help maintain a steady and comfortable tension. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!